Hi, welcome back to the Hezire YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at our latest product release, which is the Hezire HBudz Smart. Now these are true wireless earbuds that come with ANC, which is active noise cancellation, ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation, as well as an app. So these are compatible with an app which enables you to have some enhanced features. So you can see the packaging here. It's available in white and black. Really attractive packaging. I'll just pick up the white version now and just show you close up. So you've got the product on the front. One thing you'll note here on the top right corner, it actually includes a bonus protective case. So a silicone case with a carabiner clip, which is really useful. Keeps your buds protected and looking nice. In terms of the key features on the front, you've got HD audio quality with deep bass. Now remember, this is an in-ear design. So the driver goes into your ear canal, so it's quite noise isolating and really focus the music right inside your ear canal. So you get good bass and decent mids and treble. You've got an enhanced microphone with ENC for clearer calls. So this is especially useful in noisy environments. ENC is environmental noise cancellation. It uses an algorithm to reduce the background noise, thus making your voice clearer to hear. In terms of the playtime, this is up to 40 hours playtime. That's when you're using the charging case. I believe on a single charge, the buds will give you 10 hours. And then you've got 3 further charges from the case, giving you a combined 40 hours, which is really, market leading. And then in terms of ANC, active noise cancellation, this gives you up to 30 decibels of ANC noise reduction. So this is when you want to block out outside noises to enjoy your music. It's also got, in addition to the ANC mode, it's got transparency mode as well. So you can do the reverse, which is to allow, background noise into your ears, which is useful if you're, if you're exercising outdoors, you're near traffic, you need to obviously be aware of your surroundings for your safety. Okay, so just going to open the front. It's got a really nice magnetic cover. And you see the products inside the window here with the charging case. Buds are obviously inside. It tells you what's included here. On the inside cover, you've actually got some really useful information to explain how active noise cancellation works. So there's a diagram here, and there's a bit of writing here that explains exactly how the technology works. Also goes through the 3 listening modes, which I explained a minute ago. And then you've also got an explanation and a diagram on environmental noise cancellation. So really useful. Not a lot of brands actually take the time to explain the technology to their customers. So it's really good that Hezire, we've done this. On the side, nothing much, just the logo again. And then on the back, one thing to note that's important, 24 months warranty. So that's double versus most brands on the market. So that gives you peace of mind that they're putting their money where their mouth is in terms of warranty. And then a bit of blurb here tells you about the Smart Life app, which is powered by a company called Tuya. That's the QR code to download the app. I think you connect the Bluetooth, you connect the buds first. You do the usual pairing process that you do with most Bluetooth earphones. And then you download the app, and then within the app you can connect to the HBudz Smart, and that unlocks other features as well. And as I mentioned, you've got the EQ customization, controls. You can customize the controls, and then you've got GPS location tracking, so you can find your buds. That's obviously used. The GPS is not in the buds; it's using your phone to do that. So it's available on Google Play and Apple iOS. And then also on the back, you've got the specifications. Okay, so I've just opened the contents of the HBudz Smart. First things first, let's just get the accessories out the way. So here you've got the ear tips, the spare ear tips, the small and the large. You've got the USB charging cable. Here's the manual here. It's a very detailed manual in both English and Arabic. And then in terms of the product, I'll get the product out now. So these are the buds. It's a really nice design. The texture is very smooth. It's like a matte finish. Feels very nice to the touch. You've got nice Hezire logo here. You've got 4 LED indicator to give you the battery level. So each one represents, each light represents 25%. I really like this line that goes through the entirety of the product, front and back. It's like also at an angle. And if I open the buds, you'll see the inside is actually in a really lovely silver. So a lot of buds you just have, if you have them in white, they'll just be all white. The inside will be white. It's really nice detail to have this line which can be seen when the buds are closed. And then when you open it up, you see the silver inside. Okay, so I'll just finish with the case. You've got the Type-C charging case there on the underside, and obviously the obligatory compliance symbols. Shows you the battery capacity and the model number as well. In terms of the actual buds, I'll just take one of them out first. So this is the shape of them. You've got a nice flat stem there. Touch controls are located at the top. You've got an LED here. Nice little Hezire logo there. I'm not sure if that's in focus. And then on the underside, you can see it's an in-ear type buds. This is obviously changeable. You can put different ear tips on. It's very ergonomic. It fits inside your ear. This part just goes into your ear canal slightly, and that gives you quite a snug fit. So it's comfortable but very snug, noise isolating design, and really good for music. So when you put the buds in, you'll see the battery, the LEDs light up. So this is basically between 75 and 100% charged. Okay, so that's the buds. What you also get is the silicon case. So you've got a custom-made silicon case with the Hezire logo on it as well. Also nice detail that they've left holes so you can still see the battery level. So I'll just put that in. Yep, and they are shining through, so that's really, really good. The case fits nicely. What I noticed is they also include some double-sided tape. I think because of the shape of the top of the case, it comes off quite easily, but obviously if you peel this off, it will stick to the top, and then obviously it'll fit perfectly. You've got a carabiner clip as well, which is really handy. If you don't want to put this in your pocket, you can attach it to a belt loop, a keychain, or you can even attach it to a bag or something like that. So really, really good, and it's nice that they've included the bonus case as well. Okay, so this is the black version here. Again, it's a matte finish. I mean, there's a little bit of shine, but that's mainly coming from the lighting, but it is a very nice textured, fine textured matte finish. Looks very, very premium. Got the Hezire logo. You've also got that silver line that goes all the way through the product, which looks really, really smart. And when you open it up, you've got the inside, it's actually more of a gunmetal color, which goes really, really nicely with the actual buds. So I'll just show you a few angles so you can see. It looks really good. And then you've got the buds with the Hezire logo there. And that's it, really. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and obviously, go out and check out these buds. They're really, really good all-round True Wireless earbuds with some great features, great battery life, ANC, ENC, and even the app as well. So, and for the money that Hezire are charging, it's extremely good value for money. So go and check it out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Hezire product videos. Thanks for watching.